everyone, welcome to my channel HMI Says. Today I'm going to give you a short review about Honda City Aspire's original Android LED. It comes in this 6 inches probably size, and it is running Android. As you can see, you can install many Android apps in it, and it has Bluetooth music option, camera, car settings, Bluetooth AV output, aux cable option, DVD player, browser, and to connect your iPod through it. And you can quick charge your phones with this Android LED unit pre-installed in Honda City Aspire full option model. And if you want to purchase it separately, then its price is approximately around 60,000 Pakistani rupees. And this device runs smoothly in car, and moreover, let me show you its Android version. So here it is. It's running Android 4.4.2 quad core processor, 1024 by 600 resolution display it has,